Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today, we're turning our attention to one of the most powerful SUVs in the performance world, the new 2026 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat. Known for its insane horsepower, aggressive styling, and unmistakable supercharged roar, the Durango SRT Hellcat has long been the choice for drivers who want muscle car performance in a family-sized package. The 2026 model takes everything fans love and amplifies it with sharper design, better tech, and even more attitude. Let's take a closer look at what makes this new Durango more compelling than ever. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Durango SRT Hellcat arrives with a bolder, more muscular exterior that stays true to Dodge's performance legacy. The front fascia has been updated with a wider grille, sleeker LED headlamps, and larger air intakes for improved cooling. The sculpted body lines and pronounced hood give it an aggressive road presence, while new wheel designs and fresh paint options allow drivers to stand out even more. The overall look blends modern refinement with traditional muscle SUV toughness, performance, and powertrain. Under the hood, the 2026 Durango SRT Hellcat continues to pack the legendary 6.2-liter supercharged HEMI V8, delivering monstrous horsepower and thrilling acceleration. The updated tuning provides smoother power delivery, while the advanced all-wheel drive system improves traction during high-speed launches. Dodge has refined the suspension for better cornering stability and everyday comfort, and the 8-speed automatic transmission now shifts quicker for an even more responsive drive. Safety and technology. The 2026 model brings upgraded safety and tech features, including enhanced driver assist systems with improved lane keeping and adaptive cruise control. Inside, the cabin features a large digital display, updated infotainment software, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Premium trims offer a high-end sound system, head-up display, and performance tracking tools. With better connectivity and smarter controls, the Durango SRT Hellcat feels more advanced without losing its raw spirit. Conclusion. The new 2026 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat stands at the top of the performance SUV segment, combining extreme power, bold design, and modern tech into one thrilling package. Whether you're dominating the highways or enjoying family trips with muscle car energy, this Durango is built to deliver excitement every time you hit the road. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more automotive reviews, news, and first looks at the vehicles that drive passion forward.